So here's a video. If I were on, so Judy, I do not have you. So let's just say I was going to buy for you. And if I click on the view buy, which is what I assume you probably did do, then, it goes here and you would need to then save it to you would need to like add it to the cart. So they don't have it where you can just pick up, whoops. They don't have same day delivery, so the only choice is to add it to your cart here. And then, you can go ahead and view the cart and check out. And so this is where you would check out. And now they're going to ask for addresses, contact info. Once you put that in, you click here and it's going to go to the payment info. So now if I were to go to Amazon, it's the add cart over here, or you could even click buy now. Whenever I go to Amazon, like it knows me, so because I buy so much so often from Amazon. But add to the cart, and then it would probably it might make you like sign up for an account or something. I'm not sure, but then you would do similar things like look for the proceed to checkout link, and then here it's going to, you know, if you don't have any shipping address or you haven't been uh, into Amazon, you don't have an account in Amazon, then you would need to it would probably give you blanks to fill in where you're shipping it to. If it has your information there, you can always change it by selecting another address that you might have, or you can add a new address. And then it will go through the same thing with a payment method. If you already have one in there, you want a different one, you can change it, and so on. So let's see if you have any other, um, yeah, so like, buying something on JCPenney, you're choosing one or the other. So let's say you want a plastic one and you're going to, just choose, let's say this one, deliver by email. No, we probably want plastic gift cards. We don't want it by email. Maybe they don't give you the option to do it any other way. Let's see here. Oh yeah, so if you're adding however much you want, quantity, next step, and then like this is your cart, or no, it's like, so it's wants you to verify, and so then you would add it to your cart, and here's where you would proceed to check out, and then it's going to ask you for all the information. So most sites are going to be something along those lines, and so hopefully this will be of help to anyone who wasn't sure what to do.